This is Cal Hunter. It is 40 degrees outside. No wind, no clouds. And your power just went out. No air conditioning. No fans. No cold water from the tap. This is not uncomfortable. This is dangerous. Heat kills faster than cold. And it kills quietly. Within 6 hours, your body starts to fail. This is your 72-hour heat survival protocol. Hour 1. Your first enemy is not the heat outside. It is the heat you are trapping inside. Open every window. Now. Cross-ventilation. 2 sides of the house. 1 in, 1 out. If there is no wind, this does nothing. Close them. Keep curtains shut on sun-facing windows. South side, west side. Block direct sunlight before it heats your walls. A closed curtain reduces heat gain by up to 40%. Hour 6. Find your lowest floor. Heat rises. Ground floor. Basement if you have one. That room is your survival zone. Close all doors. Stay low. Wet a towel. Wrap it around your neck. Your neck carries major blood vessels. Cool blood. Cool body. Re-wet every 30 minutes. Do not wait until you feel hot. By the time you feel it, you are already behind. Hour 12. Water. You need more than you think. Not 2 liters. In heat, 3 to 4 liters minimum. Add a pinch of salt to every liter. You are sweating out electrolytes. Water alone is not enough. Eat light. Cold food only. Your body generates heat when it digests heavy meals. Canned fruit. Crackers. Anything that requires no cooking. Do not use your stove. Do not use your oven. You are not adding a single degree to that room. Hour 24. Identify the coolest place within walking distance. Library, shopping mall, community center. If your body temperature reaches 39 degrees, you leave. You do not tough it out. Heat stroke is not a warning. It is a shutdown. Confusion. No sweating. Hot, dry skin. That is an emergency. Get out before that happens. Hour 48 to 72. Night is your weapon. Temperature drops after dark. Open everything. Create maximum airflow. Soak your sheets. Sleep damp. Evaporation is your air conditioning. Close everything before 8 in the morning. You are trapping the cold air, the same way you trapped heat. But in reverse. The grid failed. The heat did not care. Your body has a core temperature of 37 degrees. Everything you do in the next 72 hours is about keeping it there. Water. Shade. Airflow. Night. That is your protocol. This is Cal Hunter. Grid 0.